Dear friends, I am sincerely glad to welcome you to this significant event, which brings together leaders, experts, and visionaries from many countries. Today, online and offline, those who share our common desire to create an eco-friendly and comfortable future based on advanced string transport technologies have gathered here. UST transport and infrastructure complexes are a harmonious combination of the best qualities of railway and motor transport. They are based on string rails located on the second tier, along which unimobiles, unmanned electric rail vehicles on steel wheels, move. String technology doesn't just improve traditional logistics methods, it creates new standards for all global transportation. Our ambitious goal is to shape a fundamentally new global transport and infrastructure network that will be as safe, efficient, affordable, sustainable, and friendly to our common home in the biosphere of planet Earth as possible. Therefore, string transport is not just an innovation, it is a philosophy of a new view of the world where a human being and nature exist in harmony. Transferring traffic to the second tier not only saves time and resources, but also saves millions of human lives and billions of lives of other creatures inhabiting our planet, which are annually claimed by road injuries. It also includes clean air, cities free from smog and traffic jams, preserved fertile soil and green plants on millions of hectares that produce the biospheric oxygen we need to breathe and absorb excess carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. This is our contribution to careful attitude to our common home, planet Earth, its local and global environment, and the natural balance that has developed over millions of years of biospheric evolution of life. As you know, it is the development and implementation of string transportation that I have devoted most of my life to. Understanding the scale and globality of this technology, I realized that I would need a large and highly skilled team to implement it. Therefore, in order to implement string transport systems, I created the Unitsky Engineering School, which includes the best specialists in the design, engineering, scientific, and industrial fields. The engineering school serves as an important tool for transferring my knowledge and my experience to new generations of engineers. Today at Unitsky String Technologies, over 1,000 professionals are united by one important goal: implementation of string transport project. This team has unique experience in the field of string technology that is second to none. Thanks to these specialists, all the projects we are already working on will be continued and successfully implemented. Unitsky String Technologies celebrated its 10th anniversary this year. During this time, we have already achieved those levels of success that we can rightfully be proud of. We created a powerful international brand and opened 2 demonstration centers in Belarus and the United Arab Emirates. Our parent company is accredited as a scientific organization with the National Academy of Sciences in Belarus and the State Committee for Science and Technology. We have established industrial production facility with a unique machinery and have manufactured and tested 15 models of automobiles on our own test tracks, and specially different ones, 5 of which were then certified. Targeted projects are rapidly gaining momentum. They have already been described in detail by my staff in their speeches. I'll note the main point. Our technologies are already being implemented in such countries as Belarus, Russia, United Arab Emirates, USA, Indonesia, India, Nepal, and others. And that's just the beginning. Even audacious goals and new ambitious tasks lie ahead. Friends, the future is never predetermined. It is neither formed by itself nor created through mere abstract vision. Indeed, in 2013 to 2014, when we started the String Technology project, we were confident in the possibility of abrupt and rapid start of our business. It seemed that as soon as the technology proved its worth, big projects, tracks hundreds and even thousands of kilometers long, contracts worth billions of dollars would come. It seems so to those who stand at the foot of the mountain. However, reaching the mountaintop with all the talent, patient work, and ambition requires a lot of luck as well. The road to the top consists of many small steps, each of which has its own essential meaning. Several global financial crises that have significantly increased prices, COVID-19, the unstable geopolitical situation, and many smaller and numerous circumstances have made significant adjustments to the pace of our development, and these force majeure factors could not have been foreseen or read in advance. But we didn't stop, we didn't slow down, we didn't give up, we continued our development. And what we have achieved today is exactly the proof of the strength of our team, our competencies, and our determination to implement the project. String technology is no longer a drawing on paper, no longer a visualization on a computer, but a reality. These are the tracks under construction, with transportation operating on the second tier. Today, after all the tests, we cherish no illusions, but this does not make us weaker. On the contrary, it protects us from many dangers. We don't brazen out. We do not rush into reckless confrontation with those who are known to be stronger than we are. We carefully consider every action we take, prepare and move forward with unlimited accuracy. We realize that today we need results, however small, but obvious and undeniable, to achieve big goals that we have never given up on. The first of them was the pilot commercial project Unilight, which is already successfully operating in Belarus. The next stage is the implementation of some Unilight-like small routes, and the first of them will come out in Belarus, India, and Nepal in the very near future. The small tourist track is a gateway to new regions. Several such projects are sufficient grounds for the authorities to decide to try to create string public transport systems in large cities and megacities, and to be sure that we will fulfill our obligations, that the UST transportation and infrastructure complex will be reliable, efficient, and safe. After all, it will have already been tested and demonstrated in practice in this very country. What is the difference between a company that has technology but no implemented projects and a company that has both? The difference is roughly equivalent to that between the Wright brothers' enterprise, which merely demonstrated the possibility of flight, and William Boeing's corporation in the 1920s and 1930s, when their all-metal airplanes began delivering federal mail and were thus integrated into the U.S. economy. By putting into operation several small string transport tracks, we are actually consolidating our leadership in the new transport and infrastructure industry and creating a solid foundation for further movement. And then there will be what we set our sights on at the very beginning, hundreds and thousands of kilometers of string roads around the world. And such projects are already in the pipeline right now. That is the main task at the moment. Every, even the most seemingly insignificant victory is important here. Yes, I realize that the current pace of the project implementation may not meet the expectations of some of you. Unfortunately, and perhaps fortunately, practice always lies between plans and their execution. This extends the time frame and at the same time tests our determination and will to win spirit. This is not a good time to doubt, hesitate, or stop, because today is the day when we witness a growing worldwide interest in string transport technologies. Yes, unfortunately, a lot of things in life don't depend on us alone. However, there is also something that is completely determined by us and our decisions alone. What can I promise and what depends only on my goodwill? From the first commercial project on string transport, freight, passenger, high-speed tourist one, the same Unilight, I am ready to allocate a large part of my personal profit in addition to the payment of remuneration to investors from the revenue side of the project. These payments, starting from the end of 2025, will be distributed among all partners who have invested in UST String Technology. This will continue until we reach a sustainable level of revenue generation from commercial lines of string transport. This is my personal gesture of deep gratitude and sincere support to you, dear string technology partners. It should be remembered that the future does not exist by itself. It lives in what we create today, here and now. And what that future will be depends solely on our determination and our ability to stick to our word. Like many pioneers blazing new trails, taking steps in history, we can already observe. Although our journey has been longer and more challenging than we originally anticipated, the reward will exceed all of our expectations and plans, and it inspires us to move forward and strive for new heights. Thank you for your attention and for your support.